I will bring the session to a close by reminding us all that this is truly a forgotten epidemic. As you've heard this morning, there is much to be done all over the world. Rates of HIV and TB in prisons, particularly in developing countries, are much, much higher than in the general community. The question is how we, between now and South Africa World AIDS Conference, how are we going to mobilize, as we've seen mobilization in the other key affected populations. I think we've seen some examples of that in Côte d'Ivoire very nicely. Mobilization of the community and the policymakers, and perhaps, as was suggested, we need to mobilize ex-inmates as well. And I think another important group would be mobilization of prison staff to get on board as well. So with that, I thank all the speakers for excellent presentation, in particular Esther for sharing her experience with us during her time in Indonesian prison. Thank you very much for coming.